Hey everybody, and welcome to the TradeUi options tutorial video on how to export both the contract list and the ticker list right into your watch list for your respective brokers. Simply click the button there and you got the contract list. That means you can load the specific contracts that these institutions are buying right into a watch list that you can watch directly right in your broker pretty easily. They just click the button there, pops up the CSV file, click the button there, pop up the CSV file. You go to your respective watch list for your platform like TD Ameritrade, you open it up and you can go and upload that list right to your broker and you can follow that watch list. You can bring up the different contracts very easily to see how they're doing. Pretty straightforward, nothing that complicated. You just export it and then you import it onto your given broker. That's pretty much all I wanted to cover in this video. A feature you guys might not be aware of. They're pretty great to have because then you can follow those specific strikes and sweeps that they bought to see when the best time for entry might be. Thanks for listening in and have a great day.